Direct care staff in Michigan group homes must be properly trained. Some attend specialized trainings arranged by a community mental health agency that contracts with the employing home for residential services. Others serve different populations, such as those with Alzheimer's, medical fragility, or traumatic brain injury, and use this training portal. Therefore, this short video is to show you how to get started and how to get the most from the learning experience. First, go to your own domain, www.directcareworkertraining.com, www.directcareworkertraining.com. There you will click on Take Course. You will then be asked if you have an account. Since you likely do not, open an account with your email and a password you create and control. Now you come to the payment section. Since you are likely using your employer's subscription, go to the upper right and click on Apply Coupon Code and use the code provided to you by your employer. Once you do that, you can begin to move through each section in the training series. Once you are at the end, you will see an image telling you that you are finished, and it takes 12 to 24 hours to score your performance and issue a validation of completion. Your validation of completion scoring each section will look like this. You have 30 days to complete the series once you get started. A few final reminders. Be sure and verify if this is the appropriate training for your category of work before purchasing. No refunds will be issued. Be sure and study all illustrations and view all videos. They will enhance your learning experience. Thank you so much for allowing our family to serve your family. Questions? Please send an email to onlinelearning@directcaretraining.com.